Okay, so happy Valentine's Day if I post this tomorrow, and if I don't, then I miss Valentine's Day, which is probably what's gonna happen because editing is such a hard thing for me because I'm lazy and I like to do everything but edit. So this is a Valentine's Day inspired video. Like, I'm doing this at like 8 or 9 something, so my siblings are still awake, and I have 2 younger brothers and a sister, so you're gonna hear them in the background. And I also share a room with my sister, so you're gonna hear her if she comes inside. And I know you can hear my siblings right now, and I'm not even gonna tell them to be quiet because honestly I asked for this because I could have filmed this video like 2 weeks ago and got it out the way and then posted it today, but I had some technical issues. So let me stop talking and get into the video. Clean. Squeaky clean. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the mirror. No, I lied. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows, and if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I did a eyebrow tutorial. Like I don't even know how long ago it was. I don't know. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is my eyeshadow, BRB, because I forgot to wet my beauty blender. Yeah, we're gonna do that, and I do not have any powder. Okay, I don't have any powder, so I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna use a light shade. Do know that this video is pre-recorded, so I'm gonna talk about Valentine's Day because today I'm filming this on the 13th. Wait, is Valentine's Day tomorrow? I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, I'm filming this on the 13th, and hopefully I can get it up tomorrow, either by the end of the day, like after I get out of school, or yeah, hopefully it's not later than that, because if it is, I'm probably not gonna post it till the next day. Oh wait, what am I doing right now? Because this is not a cut crease, and I'm already messing up. I'm just so used to doing cut crease eyeshadow looks that was so cheesy. And if I post this on Valentine's Day, then I also have different eyeshadow looks that are gonna be posted on my Instagram. If I don't post on Valentine's Day, then those eyeshadow looks were posted. So this is from the 3rd grade. You know how you always have those parties where everyone gets a bag and they line it up against the wall because we all about to get some candy or whatever. And you know, so you go to the store, you basically get candy. As I was saying, you basically get candy for your classmates. So that's what I did. We went to Big Lots with me and my mom, and we got candy. And I went home and I started putting everyone's names on the little cards and putting the candy to it. We're gonna call this dude Bruno Mars because he looked like Bruno Mars, so we're just gonna call him Bruno. So Bruno was my Valentine, someone that I wanted to be my Valentine. So I put on Bruno's card, I was just like, will you be my Valentine? And yeah, I go to school. We didn't do this like directly on Valentine's Day, we did it like days before, so when it was Valentine's Day, like, you know, all the stuff would be there. So yeah, so I had basically put everything in, and I was going along the wall, I was looking at the names, I was just like, pop, pop, pop. One for you, one for you, one for you, you. So yeah, I was going around, I was putting all this stuff in everyone's bags, and then that was that, you know. I don't remember much about elementary school. So I went, it was Valentine's Day, you know, Valentine's Day came around, and I was sitting with my friends. We were watching a movie, but like no one was really watching it, and we were eating candy and stuff, and everyone was trading like, ooh, I want this and I want this, even though we basically all had the same thing. I was just chilling with my friends. We were eating the candy, and I hear Sierra, like someone call my name from across the room because our desks were parallel, and I was on this side and Bruno was on this side, but also beside Bruno was Tree, because Tree was tall. So Bruno and Tree were sitting there, and Tree was just like, hey Sierra, you want me to be your Valentine? And I was just like,
Who am I saying that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
like, and then he was just like, and then he like showed me the like card and it had Bruno's name on it. So I was just like,
you idiotic fool.
Because I mean, I accidentally put it in there, but it doesn't have your name on it. So I was just like, that's not for you. And Bruno was right there, so they were just like both laughing. So I was just like, and that's why I hate Valentine's Day till this day. I don't hate Valentine's Day. I just find the holiday irrelevant. My friends point out to me what I do a lot, which is like stuff like this. Headphones on. Okay, now for my lid, I'm gonna use a pink because Valentine's Day, pink, red, and white. I'm like sitting so awkward right now. So awkwardly right now. Yeah, I speak English. I feel like I'm pretty funny around my friends, but like making a video is just like hard to be funny. Like I don't try to force it. I'll be randomly sitting there and people will look at me and they'll be like, Siara, you're my mood. And I'm just like, I'm just sitting here. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. Like, I feel like my eyeliner is like low-key lopsided, but my eyeliner is always lopsided. So, same thing as always, I'm gonna prime with a Nivea cream. I haven't done like a makeup video since my first video. So that's weird. Big forehead. That low-key hurts. Foundation that I'm gonna be using today is this Milani one mixed with this number 7 because this one's too light, but this one's too dark. So I'm gonna mix it and it's gonna become perfect. Yeah. And I'm going to use a beauty blender.
I'm nasty.
What was that? What is a fart and a sneeze mixed together?
Fart sneeze.
A sneeze. A sneeze. A sneeze. When you call her baby, you got me green. I tell you, but it won't come out. What is love? Where is my blood? No. I'm doing contour. Okay, and there's like nothing to talk about anymore, but it's fine. Tell me what video you guys want to see next, because I'm gonna do a challenge video next involving makeup, because yeah, I like doing makeup. Like the purpose of my channel, but not really, because I'm gonna do some different stuff, but like makeup's like the easiest thing to do as of right now. You hear that? You hear my brother just screaming? And I'm not leaving. I hate leaving my bake on for too long because I refuse to have flashback. If I can avoid it, I'm gonna avoid it. So I just put this on, but I'm already gonna wipe it off. So, and the only reason I do it is because I contour. I'm using a blush brush to get this off. So it's probably not the best way. So I need a banana powder. Okay, I'm going back under my under eye. I don't even know why I did.
I'm going. I'm get some love. I haven't taken a shower yet.
What time is it?
11:03.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do my lips really quick. I'm using colourpop. You know what? I'm gonna put the description, but this is colourpop Saturday. If you're not using colourpop, what are you doing? Can you do that? I can't. This video is gonna be so long. I want it to be shorter. But I thought, because like the quickest amount of time I can do my makeup in is like 30 minutes. Especially if I'm doing a full face, but if I'm just doing my normal routine, which is eyebrows, and that's it, and eyebrows and highlight, because I wear glasses, so there's no reason to do anything else.
You guys can see, like off camera, I did all this artwork on my face, and now I'm highlighting really quick, and I need to do this like quickly because I'm not trying to have this thing like turn off in the middle of me talking, and I need to be able to do an outro and edit this video quickly and try to get it up tomorrow. I should have did this. Like, it doesn't even matter when I did this. Like, it was like still, like, I can't explain it. So I'm highlighting. It needs to be highlighted, and I still have to do, oh my gosh, I have to do so much. I have to just generically bad. Like, I need to have my stuff like a certain way or it's not good. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm done, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And go watch all my other videos and like those ones too. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Oh, and happy Valentine's Day. If I post this on Valentine's Day, like I already said at the beginning.